Kevin Taylor is in trouble. Yes, Kevin Taylor is in big trouble. Over Kaya, and then 3 days, na Kevin Taylor, a year video, na all kasa editia Prempeh College. Say some of Candifa Prempeh College on Lebusia, as when you and so catch it. In some ya, in some way, Nisanka. Nipa da senia or drinking, or ya badrim bar, the mamma nyam no bosum kro a wono, and this all kasa answer the free nano. National Kevin Taylor war time. Edma santimine no or can be maybe because so santimine the dia santimine atem nyina ewom sense Kevin Taylor do be nim say or time asantimine so e traba e big road na we na El Lizato asma strong warning e da kuma Kevin Taylor say onsu anyansa na say onim nyansa enya ha say e no begimi yedi ga go tie nsem a Kevin Taylor e de to dware fa Prempeh College no na ye wi a go tie nsem so El Lizato e de atodwa anyone now that come Kevin Taylor higher Ghana and NSMQ it am just only promise message say oba so say ya oba like it we are share na chira wadwen so comment section mo e opened enti no wait na chira wadwen yen kongo tie nsem a Elizato aka chire Kevin Taylor no yen kongo tie nsem ode to dwa no embra
na natem omu jimi kwa na wotie omo because hey what did na natem and then akase tia Prempeh e ho na kofo koye sa school ni de oba mu a sibia ete no nti en komasem omu ti binim amom omu ntina binim Prempeh kuma Prempeh courage de en kom asem o ukobie wa no kokon masem omu ka so de otumfo atem into omu de omu ntina omu gimim de obeka bia omu nte Prempeh for we eni ntina me kam nsem nyina me mpa me advice omu me nka bibia nkyere omu minim se ne omu tie me betu omu futesi ape okire medane no an Kevin Taylor we di otumfo atem we di asantefo atem munja omu oka so muntua brofo a we di otumfo atem oka so munche so me krachefo a we di otumfo atem omu de yentu omu fo enti omu de omu nie so maba abehu apo dom so omu fa hwe nko no mu de omu nsa pan bekọ a mummo omu nko Prempeh de yesre mu Prempeh courage fo de we mu omu yankofo bi a ye omu headmaster nie.
But you must feel really proud.
Actually, I'm greatly honored. The Almighty God has done me a tremendous honor. Today is historic. It's a victory for all the teachers in Prempeh College because over the past years, teachers in Prempeh College have been teaching students of other parents. So today, the Almighty God is crowning our effort. It's a victory to all the teachers and all the teachers in Prempeh College and all the teachers in Ghana.
But you must feel really proud.
Actually, I'm greatly honored. The Almighty God has done me a tremendous honor. Today is historic. It's a victory for all the teachers in Prempeh College because over the past years, teachers in Prempeh College have been teaching students of other parents. So today, the Almighty God is crowning our effort. It's a victory to all the teachers and all the teachers in Prempeh College and all the teachers in Ghana.
Asemesi otanye agase tiaye Prempeh the seniors yen komasem ai Prempeh for the okas we jam from nti ye de enja omo ankasa de enim omo ko contest na aha no mutumi wini papa pale de mutumi wini we na no mutumi wini.
A man is 4 years as older as his son. 10 years later, the man will be 3 times as older as his son. What is the man's current age?
Please, 80 years.
80 years. Your next question. 3 men do a job in 7 days. 3 men do a job in 7 days. In how many would 5 men do the same?
Say 4 days, 48 hours.
4 days, 48 hours is the correct answer. KTI. Remember your question. In a box, there are 4 apples, 6 oranges. What is the probability that the first fruit pick is an orange?
Please, 0.6.
0.6 point answer for Prempeh. Prempeh, your question.
OSP also invited Sir Akabeneza we OSP also Akabeneza also chiro to no OSP na so kan kure it is here no eche yoku omo fra Ebenezer we na omo toto na no because sa like we nyoma na oye he se brody bishop ka so Prempeh is a good school ade
abusuya ntinsem a Kevin Taylor etna na ye kitchen edika fa Prempeh college ho na ye kokotie baaye no na we na ende Elizato nso so we ya o say Kevin Taylor yanka sa se mo infanchi ne kotie nsem a Elizato a responded ama Kevin Taylor no anyone na odi ama Kevin Taylor no embra
Sarakatema mama mi eka me hunu video bi a abranche fer Kevin Ekobedu Taylor waye edia for Prempeh college for ho na akọ hensemfi nsem tantan ukọ de we a wodi Prempeh college for atem ukọ kwan wa fa so wa reje ka ma asentuma ko fidi a ade papa bi enfiri mu mada as usual enam so ye trouble bi got nti of akwan bi so a ekọchi asantefo be wuram edi o matem rough Kevin Taylor na edi kan Papa na ade beto wo so ye headmaster ma Prempeh college no enye no kro e palpable falsehood papa no me pacho onye headmaster e ma Prempeh college since 2023 upeni pa ye headmaster ma Prempeh college a very reverend Louis Asare and a global president the whole world upeni pa oda Prempeh college for anwa one of the greatest doctors ye friend Dr. Akwalache na me kan sim bia kiro Upe the first school di ka winning national science and math quiz in this country. Prempeh College. Prempeh College are winning national science and math quiz 5 good times. According to West African Examination Council, no. Upe the 10 best schools in West Africa. Untimin ka enyi Prempeh College enu owasi din enfrimuda. Ufi voter region. School BNO voter region. Ubechi na compare Prempeh College. I'm telling you, and it's a fact. It's an inescapable fact. What the infant say? Asantefo mpe school, asantefo ejo monu mo hwe se na wo ka no. Me pacho school ben the voter regional. We winning national science and math quiz. The last time I Kita secondary school be this second was a third no. Na me wo me antinchen wo Kita. One good week nipa kura nkwadwuma. Solo kunkunwa. Ope omo ko school to say Prempeh college. But the Ahoy family NDC kutomo se kusua NDC akoma ne kutomo no omuko Prempeh college o mampenye kofo o Prempeh college the former chief of defense staff of Freedoma and so called Prempeh college one senior ziga about on the true behavioral aspect of marketing one of the greatest marketing lecturers of all time tenye wa bia ma Holland president and I say Holland na ban e friend no e man von ye ka von e wo English ma e kire se o Prempeh college metima akasa ha Open schools and that's one of the schools are producing engineers, doctors, professors, responsible men in this country. Prempeh College no was untimi your mum free with that. And to Prempeh College dia, I have for respect your day. And for come, Mr. The Bia over for Quambi so I could fast antiphobis with Diomatem. But Kevin Taylor, Mami I beni if you do. And now Papa so air asini. Nanso ema omo pe bebia bobra awu mo atetemono ya sentimentum no mobile ade bia wo ye bia no surely give an account of it bra wanya bia mo ase a emo ne krono tieniye me se wanya bia mo ase a emo ne krono
eti abusuya ensam a Elizato enso asoma eri akoma Kevin Taylor emu warning eni nyansa sem wo ka kire ne say ohunu nyansa hu say Prempeh College ni school bia ye ka school ni history a enye school kitua school a etitru for na bremponfo efiri mu aba opem so mu school a eye yewura kufo yewura former Bank of Ghana governor NDC man yi alan ko person yam flag bearer what is his name kra make kwabradufo emu nyina akoye eye school a etitru fo a omo wiase amama emu bebre ekoye enti Elizato say enka Kevin Taylor say so afuna foforo ene ne kwase akeka onhwe bi ode be fa ketan se bi ono kasa mpo free no school do do sen ena anyanya bia no national science and math quiz no matimi agibi. Don't forget that Prempeh College was the first school to win the national science and math quiz able established here. It was maybe a comma Kevin Taylor busuya enya NSMQ to watch the media no so among for Kevin Taylor need the Gyimifour watch so nim nyansa na ni nyansa no tan ye keche hono mo dia nsime fina no ba no ensem hu santantan niam fo a ye nka nche nipa ena ono no Kevin Taylor Gyimifour be ma ne de ono abre bia no ka che nipa amanfo say ni Gyimi na wajimi ma je say onim po anye yi ene amanfo aka bi o na me Ghana fa no yasa Ghana fo adinya dem papa me say comment ni bu hon ma o ready wi a na wo ti kura ya wo ya because in some of my catch Kevin Taylor no me just as a guy no san konya time ready commenter na nke bia obegya Gyimi na oyede o Gyimi ni otan na wo edema some of the tribes especially eya asantefo no na me busa me ho say nti Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the communications minister someone at George nti ya omo hwe Kevin Taylor na and then 3 days so sendra yeah I think Kendra me ho video bi say na ono no Kevin Taylor Gyimifour yo finance minister kese wato force honorable or ten a warning or say there is some corrupt way be a allegedly not just say the finance minister is involved now no power saying finance minister bro what kind of power and John Dramani Mahama Ghana man penini His Excellency Ediama akwa we otin ye kitchen na otinya kukudro betna ni podcast eso and now say the broadcasting way no so house no media one so it will be catch a whole finance minister of a country, a member of parliament, of a Jumako Bisianse constituency, and answer them, yeah. Say the power he holds, I don't know Kevin Taylor, no Tunyo no Kitano. Even the finance minister doesn't have that power. You see? You see? Would you be serious? Would you be serious? I don't know who has given him that power, but whoever gave Kevin Taylor that power, bro, you like, I don't know how to put it. Why your mind bunny? Why your mind bunny? Because there are some people that they don't deserve to be given that power, given that authority. Look how he talks. As if he controls the president and controls the country. You understand? And this is what we've been talking about. It is very, very sad and very, very bad, but only one I go cancel comfort so call. No one. I go can. So comfort the same air call. No one. Today, hi Ghana NSMQ. It is just so many promise.